Friend Spice. Hi, pretty baby. Hi, buddy. She is. She's pretty. Oh, you were such a good dog. You're such a good boy. You're just like a real dog. You getting a kiss in the camera? Oh my gosh, look at how cute you are. Getting some petting. He's getting petted. Look at how good he's doing. Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Pop up. Pop up. Here's your friend Spice. She's coming over. Oh, thank you for kisses. Thank you for kisses. She's so cute, huh? Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love puppy kisses. Thank you. There we go.
He's at the event? Okay. Alright.
Yay!
We were just talking about maybe trying to do something with Jamie in the conference room for this festival.
Yay! You did a good job. I step on your leash. Oh no! And here's our friend Penelope. Hi, Penelope. Hi. She's so pretty. Yeah, good girl. Here's her friend Rory. I know you're crying. You're crying. Hi, pretty lady. Came to see that puppy, huh? Good boy, Roar. Good boy. You're a real dog now.
Yeah.
Like Pinocchio. Turned into a real puppy. A real puppy. Up, up, up.
So I guess
She's so cute.
you're very sweet.
Oh, good job.